Batman want some fuck.
You want a bat backers?
Yes, give me a bat backers.
The black man she want to come wind up in her hole.
My youth, you idiot. She said she want a Batman, not a black man.
Me not get something.
Who wants that? First come, first serve.
I go and get her some bumbo clad fuck, you see?
Come here, girl, make your belly swell. Body come free, pussy no fi say. Me don't see a fuck you asking out the type pussy give me.
You done already?
Oh, no, I'm not start it.
Who's next?
Queen of your hole.
Where the fuck you think you go?
Oh, I'm about to die.
Bitch, Janko, bitch.
I'm stolen. Nip on my body head, and if a girl want it, tell her for coming on my bed.
How this ugly man ya?
Yeah man, me well stoned up and ready for you wonder wall.
Not from me a pussy clad, you're too ugly.
Hey girl, sit down and make me push this up in you.
Wee. My youth, and your girl said she don't want an ugly man. Have this.
Push on.
Have this too.
How you just do? I'm gonna murder your blood clot.
Alfred, you can hear me?
Yes, Master Bruce.
Alfred, my bat bullet done.
What do you want me to do, Master Bruce?
Send one taxi for me, Alfred. You're gonna murder me, Alfred. Alfred, send me one Uber quick.
Nobody can touch Batman around here.
Oh, that the cable guy.
Pasola, who you? You don't make a box on your bumbo.
Alfred, you send the cable guy. Me tell him to send me a rascal Uber.
Wrong bumbo clock, man, I go run for dinner you. What you want do?
Come here boy, I gotta make my friend bow you up, you see?
No girl can bow me up.
Come here, boy, I go and ride your face.
Yes.
Bow him up. Turn him in a bowers.
No girl can bow me up. Me never damn pussy yet. Me not like how it is.
Me saying trang you fuck.
No girl can sit down for me head.
Put your crackies in her face.
Hey girl, come on for me.
Suck pussy boy. Sabah.